favorite Guardian? Best. Only the best. Thank you, Groot. Stay safe, Groot. Keep growing. We love you.
My friends are going to step off the curb for us. Thank you. Record that. Turn around and want to come stand next to him? Yeah, he's tall, but he's really nice. His fingers feel weird. Not bad. Just get your slow motion. You want to stand right here?
Dance.
Perfect. Good job. Just so everyone's aware, we're currently finishing up our line that we had. Feel free to take any photos from right here. Just stay off the curb. Right over here, sweetie. Wait a minute, Woohoo!
Go 5. Oh, you got the high one. I am Groot.
We're so on the same page.
Tell me you're Groot. Tell us.
You could both be